one of those hyper-productive days that every haunter prays to have a lot of to actually get your show open on time. We first went to the flooring store to get our kitchen floor and carpet replaced the first week of October. Deposit and all that. So all that water damage will be mitigated, cleaned up, and the place will look great in time for the show. Then went cashed a check, got some lunch, because don't forget to eat, that's important, haunters, it's easy to forget with everything we're doing this time of the year. Then went south, went to Home Depot and picked up some supplies for the flooring project, as well as some plastic for one of the tent scenes. 4mm painter drop cloth type plastic, really cheap at Home Depot. 25 foot by 100 foot for like $28. That beats Amazon substantially. So yeah, if you need plastic, that's the place to go, it looks like. From there, we went to Spirit Halloween, talked with the manager, and they are displaying flyers for us in the store, which is awesome. Thank you, guys. That on top of the donation the other store made. Spirit's really helping us out this year, which is fantastic. The employees are excited. They'll all want to come see the show, so hopefully they can make it out, although I know their hours get a little crazy that time of the year. What else? We went to Walmart and picked up all this candy. There's $250 worth of candy, $20 bag at a time, for the town trunk or treat event, which conveniently is the Sunday before our haunt opens. So we'll have our banner there for the haunt. Also went to Staples, picked up our 2x6 foot banner for the haunt to advertise it this weekend at the Smithville Art Walk. We'll be there with a booth. I think that's all we did today. Honestly, it's all kind of running together. Did a whole lot of stuff today, and well, the day's not even over yet. I got to clock in for the EMS job. That's only for a few hours though, and I'm sure there'll be more tonight after that's over with. So that right there is what $250 of Halloween candy looks like. Huge trunk or treat event. Of course, also an advertising opportunity for the haunt. Got a lot of candy.